Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Donna. And for those of you not new, thank you so much for continuing to come back to my channel. My hair has some purple highlights in it because I grabbed the wrong shampoo and my conditioner, my purple conditioner, yep. So I have some purple highlights. I'm not mad. I'm not mad at it. I still am in desperate need of new hair color, so there's that. I don't know if y'all saw the thumbnail, but I did get my lucky bag. I did order a lucky bag this year. I tried last year and the year before, and they were sold out almost immediately. So I jumped on it this year. There was no way I was going to be without one, but here's the deal. I had it planned. I had strategically planned and saved to get the extra large lucky bag, and I was on the website, and I swear to God, within 3 seconds, that thing was sold out. Sold out. I had purchased, paid for, and was logged out of the system by 5 minutes after they started, and couldn't get a lucky bag that was an extra large version, but that's okay. I've tried super hard not to watch any lucky bag information that has come across the YouTubes or Reddit or any of those places because I didn't want to be disappointed. This is my first lucky bag, and I know it's a crapshoot. I know you get what you get, but I didn't want to be disappointed. So mystery bags are not typically my thing because I have gotten a few mystery bags that I absolutely love, but more often than not, you get a mystery bag that you absolutely can't use. So I didn't want to be disappointed, so there's that. Super excited to jump into this one, so I am going to get the scissors out and cut this bad boy open. And there's that. So let's open it. So when you first open it, oh, mine appears to not have the paper stuck together well. I guess I should go into Beautylish offers this one time a year. You get it. You can purchase it December 26th, so the day after Christmas, which is inconvenient, I think, just because like everybody has spent all their money prior to Christmas. So who's really got the money for this the day after Christmas? But with that being said, you purchase it that day, but you don't get it. It tells you right there that it won't even be shipped out until the 20th of January, or there's somewhere there. I did receive mine a couple days ago. I just didn't have the time to dig into it, and I wanted to do it on camera with you guys. So this is what the inside looks like. It's just, you know, a box, but that paper, you guys, this paper is beautiful. I love the cranes. I love the paper. So it's all stuck, well, should be stuck together with the little sticker, but my little tag got caught up in there, and it is just a Lucky Bag 2020 tag, which I think is super pretty. And it says, Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspires us to create our own. The crane on this New Year's Lucky Bag symbolizes longevity and good luck. We hope the surprises inside make your 2020 a little more lucky. Lucky Bag 2020, hashtag Beautylish. So I'm super excited about this. I'm going to take a picture real quick. Alright, so once you dig in to the paper, you're going to, ooh, I'm excited. There's quite a few things in here. This is what the inside of my box looks like. Everything seems to be wrapped up in a nice little sushi roll of, oh, there's something underneath. Perfection. Alright, so the thing that's not in the little sushi roll is this guy here. It is upside down. There's the Dominique Cosmetics Prisma Glow Highlight Effects palette. And this is what the back looks like. So it appears to be a highlighting palette. That's just what I need. But this is what the front of the palette looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that. Maybe, maybe not. It's super pretty. It's a light pink. It's kind of got this like carrot diamond cut effect to it. And then you open it. Ooh, that's a nice mirror. This is what it looks like on the inside. There is Skin Gloss, Golden Hour, Fire Glow, and Pink Haze. It appears that it is kind of like a golden, a bronzy, a like orange peachy effect, and then a light pink highlighter. I'm not going to swatch it necessarily right now. I'm super excited about this item, but I need to really think about whether I'm going to keep this or not. I have a ton of highlighters, so there's that. If you guys saw my inventory, you know that yourselves. And this is the little sushi roll that is inside, and I can already see something that I am kind of not excited about, but that's okay. That's okay. I don't own it, so there's a reason I don't own it. Alright, so the first thing in our sushi roll is this. It is the Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner, which I am actually kind of excited about. Good Molecules is the skincare brand that Beautylish created, and I think that they sent these products out the first time last year. I've heard great things about Good Molecules, so I'm super excited about it. The next thing I have is this. It is an Oribe Apres Beach Wave and Shine Spray. It is a little tiny sample size version, so I don't even think that they sell this size, which I think is odd. Like, why are you putting things in these bags that we don't even sell? So maybe like a free gift item. I would have to say that this is actually probably still a spendy item. Oribe is not necessarily drugstore prices. Let me look these things up really quick. I want to be able to tell you the prices on these things. Man, I'm just not doing this very well. The Dominique Cosmetics Prisma Glow Highlighter Palette looks to retail for $36, and it is for a fresh dewy glow or a blinding glow that will shine in any light. This palette includes 1 cream highlight and 3 buttery blinding highlight powders. Which one is the cream one? Oh, this Skin Gloss is the cream one. So this is your cream highlight, and I wonder if that's like, you know, you put it on and then you put one of these over the top of it. That makes sense. That's interesting. That's the only one that's not got the stamp on it too, the Dominique Cosmetics, the DC stamp on it, so that makes sense. So the Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner, this guy retails for $14. So right there, we've already got a $50 value in this box, and this box did cost $75 plus shipping and handling and taxes and whatnot. I did end up paying about $92 for this box. The full-size version of this retails for $44, but this one is definitely not a full size. This is 1 ounce, and the full-size version is 8.5 ounces. We'll say $5. We're going to call it $5. The next thing in here is this R&Co Spiritualized Dry Shampoo Mist. Not mad at this. R&Co is a really good brand. This is also another like travel size, so which I don't get offended at travel sizes, mostly because I travel often, and it's good to have travel sizes, especially if you travel a lot by airplane, because this can go on an airplane and some of your other dry shampoos cannot. What is interesting about this is I don't think I've ever used a dry shampoo mist. I think all of the dry shampoos I have used in the past are like aerosol versions, so I'm interested in that. They do, I think, sell this specific size, and this specific size retails, yes, they do, and this specific size retails for $14. Ooh, you guys. Next, I have a Wayne Goss brush. I am excited. I don't know that this is necessarily a brush that I will use. It does look like almost like a concealer or a foundation brush. Oh my goodness, that is so soft. I will figure out a reason to use it. Wayne Goss, I've wanted a Wayne Goss brush for a long time. My friend Sherry has Wayne Goss brushes, and she lives and breathes by those brushes. So I'm excited about this Wayne Goss brush. Let me look up the price of this guy. So it's part of a set that costs $210. That much I know. It looks like this one here. I'm not sure that that's right. It doesn't have a number on it at all, but it does look like this one, and it is this guy, that one right there. That is what it looks like, and that is the airbrush for sculpting, buffing, and baking your way to an airbrush finish with this limited edition powder brush. Yep, it is this brush that shows that it's kind of flat and it's a powder brush. I'm interested in that. I really love this brush. It is so soft. I'm kind of a brush hoarder, so I'm excited about a Wayne Goss brush. That's amazing. That guy retails for $35. $35 for a brush. That's insane. The next thing I got is actually this, it appears, is... oh, two different things. Oh, I'm excited about this. I got the Hourglass Caution Mascara. I'm really excited about this. I've heard that this is amazing mascara. What I love this. What I will not be happy about is if it's amazing mascara, and I absolutely love it. What am I going to do? Because I just don't want to spend, I just don't want to spend that kind of money on a mascara. Let me just tell you what that kind of money is. I'm sure that some of you already know. I have tried Hourglass products, but honestly, they're so expensive. So I have a couple of things from them, but they're the little deluxe sizes. So I have Mood Exposure, the blush, and I have Diffuse Light, I think, the like powder. And I love both of them, but because this product is so dang expensive, Hourglass is such an expensive brand, I don't typically like get involved with what they've got. So this mascara is actually not as bad as I thought it was. This is $29 on Sephora. So that's actually not as bad as I thought it was, but it's still a lot more than I want to pay for a mascara. One of my favorite mascaras is by Dior, and I won't purchase it. So I dropped it. I'm super excited to try this item. The next thing is another Hourglass item, and it is Hourglass Confession, an ultra slim, high intensity refillable lipstick. I've seen these advertised actually, and I'm kind of excited about it. Let me pull it out of here. These retail for $36. And what's exciting to me is that the cartridge can be refilled by whatever color you want to put in it. And God, that looks just, that is such a stunning package. Such a stunning package. Ooh. I can't say that this is actually my favorite shade. It's a little bit pink for me, honestly, but man, this packaging is beautiful. I am kind of excited about this. So it does come in a bunch of different shades down here. There are so many shades that you can get it. And I think it's $36. Is that just for the refill? The refills are sold separately. So the lipstick with cartridge is $36. The refill is $22 for 0.03 ounces. Holy shnikes. I mean, I'll hold on to it for the rest of my life, even if I don't refill it. So there's that. And then the last thing in here is the thing that I'm actually kind of the least excited about. It is the ABH Riviera palette. So there are reasons I didn't purchase this palette, mostly because it seems to me to have the same color story as the Alyssa Ashley one, which I already own. But also in addition to that, like you guys, here's another reason why I'm not excited about this palette. You can currently pick up this palette at TJMAXX for like 24 bucks. So the fact that they're sending it in a lucky bag is ridiculous. But I will say, like, I'm stoked about the other items that I got. I'm really excited about the Hourglass. Man, my hair. I'm really excited about the Hourglass. I can't even speak. I'm really excited about the Hourglass products that I got. The mascara is... I'm probably most excited about the Hourglass mascara only because I've heard so much about this mascara that, like, if the hype is real, we're in trouble. I am so excited about the Wayne Goss brush. I am actually kind of excited about the Dominique Cosmetics highlighting palette, even though I don't need another highlighter. This is like a problem area for me. So, and actually, of all of my bag, this is the only thing I'm super about, and I'm not necessarily mad. It's not one of their palettes that I own, and I own almost... I don't own Sultry, and I don't own this one. So there's that. So now I own this one. But of all the products that I have, that's the only one that I'm just kind of like peepaw about. But I'm not mad about it. So let's get a rockin' total on this box for you. I was adding up everything in my bag and assuming that this guy's roughly a $5 value because I can't find a price for this size, and assuming that this is full retail price versus the $24 that you can pick it up at TJMAXX for right now, my bag's total, I don't know if you guys can see that, is $214. So I did pay, like I said, $75 for the bag. And then, you know, with taxes and shipping and whatnot, it came to roughly about $92. So I definitely got more than my money's worth. And honestly, you guys, I'm not mad at this box. These three items here are probably the most exciting items for me. And these three items here total what I paid for this box. So, did you guys get a Beautylish Lucky Bag this year? I think I'm sold on the Lucky Bag. Like, I'm excited for next year's already, and we just started this year. I am really super stoked about this Wayne Goss brush. If I have to be honest, it is so soft. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you got a lucky bag, let me know what you got in your bag. Now I'm going to go watch some videos of some people that got them and see what they got. I was really super looking forward to something from maybe Natasha Denona in here or Viseart, but I'm happy with what I got. I really am. I will definitely be in the market for one next year. Let me know if you're excited for a lucky bag maybe next year. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I hope that you liked this video or me enough that you're considering subscribing to my channel. I hope that you liked it enough that you're considering giving it a big thumbs up. It really does help our channels out here, and until next time, guys, bye-bye.